Hello, this is Mustang 1200, and this is my Cessna airplane, and it's doesn't really work well. It's got air bubbles inside, so we have to clean this out. We're gonna take it to Axle and RC hookup so we can clean, because there's air bubbles of oil lubricant inside, and since it's 14 years old, it's doesn't really suck in any fuel. So every time you crank this, it makes a little noise. Hold on, let me put this down right here. Let's see. Chill. So every time I do this, it feels like it's cracked or something inside. So it's got a little oil, so let me clean my hands. And yeah, so if it doesn't work, I'm gonna buy a new engine. If it does, we stay with this one. So please comment and subscribe. And it's a 45 Magnum 2-stroke engine. It's all good. It's only that something wrong inside the piston or something. So it's probably the bore. So please comment and subscribe. Thank you.